Hi friends, do you know what is the best method to grow cilantro or coriander? Some say soaking the seeds overnight will help in better germination, and some others say wrapping the seeds in a cloth for 2 or 3 days is the fastest method of germination. So let us now see what is the best method to grow cilantro or coriander. In this video I will share you the results of an experiment which I have conducted. I have tried growing coriander in all the three possible ways, and in this video I will be providing results of this experiment. So watch this video completely. So welcome to Planting Nature friends. If you are the first time visitor, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this content, please share this video. So I have conducted this experiment in my roof garden. The soil mix I have used is soil, organic compost and a little bit of coco peat. Since we are growing coriander in three different ways, let's divide it into three parts. In this first part, I will directly sow the seeds. The second part, I will be soaking the seeds overnight. And the third part is for the seeds wrapped in the cloth. Coriander is a sun-loving plant, but it cannot tolerate high temperatures. This place will receive morning sunlight, but not the afternoon high temperature sunlight. During this 15 days experiment, the temperature ranged between 17 to 30 degrees centigrade. The average relative humidity is around 57%. The daytime is around 12 hours. We are in day 0 now. I am going to sow the seeds directly in the first part. These seeds I have taken from a locally available vendor. You can observe the seeds are already broken into two. Generally, the coriander fruit consists of around 2 seeds in it. Breaking the seeds will help in good germination. Since the seeds are already broken, there is no need to break again. So in the first part, I am going to directly sprinkle the seeds and cover it with soil. So this is done. For the second part, I am going to soak the seeds overnight. And for the third part of experiment, let us take a cloth to wrap the seeds. I am going to take the same soil and mix the seeds in it, and I have wrapped the cloth tightly. I have added some water to this cloth so that the seeds will be absorbing some moisture, and placed it in a partial shade. So the next day morning, these seeds are already soaked for overnight. So let us sow in the dedicated place, that is this part, that is in the second part. Seeds are evenly distributed and covered with soil. So after 3 days, you can see small roots coming out of this cloth. So let us open this cloth carefully. You can see most of the seeds started germinating. Now let us sow these seeds as well in the part allotted. Be careful while distributing the seeds. This is one drawback in this method, because we need to be very careful while handling these seeds. Maybe the direct sown seeds and overnight soaked seeds are also started germination, but it is not visible from top. Let us come back after few days. Welcome back friends, we are on day 9. And I can see lot of cilantro plants with 2 beautiful leaves. Since it is a dicot plant, you can see 2 leaves. So I am very surprised to see that all the 3 parts have similar type of growthing. The direct sown seeds, overnight soaked seeds, and the seeds which are wrapped for 3 days are all same now. The growth pattern looks very similar with the same height. So let us come back after some time. So this is on day 11. Even now the growth pattern is very similar. We are on day 12 now. Now you can see the actual coriander leaf coming out. These are the true leaves. And let us see in all parts whether this true leaf is coming. Now you can see that in all 3 ways of growing, the growth rate is same. We have seen germination on 3rd day itself in the seeds which are wrapped, but then the growth is similar to the others. So let us come back and see after few days. So now we are on day 15. The leaves are more clearly visible now, and in all parts the growth is similar. So now with this I can conclude that whether you are sowing directly or soaking overnight or wrapping the seeds in a cloth will give the same result. Maybe it's the quality of seeds which matters and not the way you are growing, especially with these coriander seeds. So friends, let me know your thoughts on this experiment, and if you have any other topics which we can do experiments on, please let me know in the comment box. We will try and find out the answer for that. So one parameter which I missed in this experiment is the number of seeds which are germinated, but maybe we can try to experiment and see how many seeds are germinating and how many seeds are failing to germinate with different types of growing methods. So with this experiment I can conclude that the growth pattern is very similar with whichever way you try. There is one more experiment which I wanted to try, growing coriander with unbroken seeds and broken seeds. So please subscribe this channel to get more of this content. So thank you for watching.